Hi guys, today I want to do unboxing and then demonstrating how it works, this portable vacuum cleaner. Let me open the box first. What I noticed first is that the box is very wide, which I really like because right now we have a cordless vacuum cleaner, but it's heavy. This one it's very wide. So this is what you're gonna get inside. First the user manual, then that's the device, and there are different attachments. This one it's where it's the dustbin, and that's also the filter. There is another filter if you need to replace it. You need to put right here the dustbin with the filter, and then you can use any of those attachments. Here I'll take them out from the box, and you can see that there are different attachments. Also, it comes with a USB-C charger. Let me see if I need to charge it before I demonstrate how it works. Here is the where you need to plug in the charger, and you can turn it on from this one. It's 40% right after you take it out from the box, and you can hear how powerful it is. What I like about this vacuum cleaner is once you start the vacuum cleaner from here, you don't have to hold it. You can release the button. I'll show you now. You see how I release the button and now I can clean it. I want to clean my keyboard here, so I'll be using this attachment. I'll put it here, and then I'll use this brush also. I'll attach it to this attachment. Okay, and now I'm gonna clean the keyboard. Now I'm gonna test it out with some tortilla chips. Let's see if I can clean up them. You see how powerful it is? You see now all the tortilla chips, they are collected in the dustbin. I will clean out the dustbin now. Here I will open it from here, and then I'll go to the trash bin and I'll empty it. Okay, the blowing parts, you can connect them at the back of the vacuum, and then once it's connected, you can clean the vents of the AC in the car. I'll do this right now. I have two young kids and they always make a mess in the car, so this small vacuum, it's very convenient to keep in the car and keep your car clean.